guys. I'm starting to try to do more of this YouTube stuff. Don't know how great they're going to be, but I'm trying. I'd like to get more content out there. For anybody that doesn't know, my name is Austin Denny. I drive the white Ford Lightning, the black 4x4 F250, and then we have our crew cab 6-liter that we play with on the streets and dirt drags and anything it can do. For anybody curious, I did wreck the Lightning. We have come to the conclusion that the PWR water to ice intercooler that I use is it's not PWR's fault. It's not anybody else's fault. I use it in a way that's not designed. It's the way I've used it for years on my other truck. But had water slosh out of it, and it got under the right tire, and that's why the truck abruptly turned right. Not really anybody's fault, except our own, I guess. But Jesse's already gave me the green light. We're rebuilding it. It'll be back here at the beginning of next year, better than ever. It's got a lot of big plans that I intend to take you guys for on that trip for. We're going all over the place with that thing to make it better and to chase this power stroke record, and overall just make that truck as fast as it can be so we can go play with the gas guys and continue to push the 6-liter platform. The 4x4 truck, or if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social medias, that we're going to continue doing the same stuff with that. It's healthy. Healthy as it can be. I got a little bit of work to do that I'll take you guys for when I go out to the shop here. But yeah, just trying to do more YouTube stuff. Would like to get more stuff out there. Some people have asked to see like what goes on in between races and what we got going on, and I intend to show it. Tonight we're going to continue to tear into the Pro Mod, and I'll maybe do like a time lapse or do a walk around, show what happened to that, what went right, what went wrong. The biggest thing everybody keeps telling me is that I walked away okay. Banged up and sore, but we just gotta keep going. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas of stuff you want to see or anything like that, please let me know. More ideas the better. I'm in the process of starting to get more GoPros going for the in-cab stuff when we make passes and do things and traveling, and if you like the shorts, there's more of it, and I'll show more behind the scenes stuff. We got a lot of events backloaded in the end of the year here that we're going to try to go win. Thanks, guys. So far, this is where we're at. As you can see, the right frame rail has been up pretty bad. It's not just bent there, I meant actually up. It's about 3 inches higher than the other side from hitting the wall. The wheels junk, tires junk, all the piping's bent up. The Y pipe there in the front for the exhaust going into the turbo mount is actually bent too. The exhaust manifolds are bent. We got a lot of work ahead of us. That strut's broke. All of the piping's tore up, bent up pretty bad. The nitrous cannon survived. Belly pan's destroyed. Intercooler will be reused and remade. How we're going to do it, that's the PWR ice box, and I just want to reiterate, it's not PWR's fault. That's supposed to be used for dry ice. I use normal ice in it for just ease and availability. Trying to have dry ice at the track's pretty tough. But the front door, well, the door itself got a little beat up and separated. I think we can fix that. This one actually blew off before it got bad, and the only thing we need to fix on that is where the latch mechanism actually is. This bedside did hit the wall and is a little beat up. Haven't decided yet if we're gonna fix that or just order a new bedside. They're about $500, so yeah, just gonna get to it here and get this thing ready to go to the chassis shop. Get this good running unit out of here. Well, guys, it is sometime later. Probably been almost a week now since I took those last videos. Sorry I haven't been recording. I ran new to YouTube and trying to figure it out. But we got the Pro Mod, the Lightning all stripped down, and going to start trying to fix some fiberglass stuff. But it goes to Rudy's Diesel next week, hopefully, to start getting this front half fixed and getting all this stuff fixed. So this is what we got going on. She's all stripped down. My shop is utterly destroyed now. All the wiring is pulled out of it because we have a few other things going on with the truck too. Some goodies to make her better. The wrap's all peeled off of it. But yeah, she's almost ready to go and get all fixed up and get all this new. So till then, we got Shad coming up next for the 4-wheel drive truck, and it's currently getting an engine swapped in it because I bent another connecting rod in that truck. So this one is gonna get all fixed up this week. It's currently Wednesday. We leave next Thursday. Get this long block out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and slap the Pro Mod's long block in it. I keep both engines pretty much the same for this reason. Part of racing, you want to try to make big power and do big things and try stuff. You hurt parts sometimes. So that's where we're at. I will try to maybe record some more stuff on the 4-wheel drive, and yeah, if not, we will definitely have videos from Shad. Thanks, guys.